Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful seashells crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is weavers seashells flower. Large shells can be arranged around a small shells or beads to create the shape of a flower. You can use 5 or 6 shells as petals and place a pearl bead or small stone in the center. For a natural look, keep the shells in their original colors, but if you want something colorful, you can paint the shells in pink, yellow, purple, blue, or any colors you love. Several shells flower can be placed together to create a beautiful decorative bouquet. Seashells butterfly. Use 2 pairs of shells to create the butterfly wings. A small beads or piece of wood can be used for the body. Add thin wire or thread for the ends. You can place the butterfly on a wooden board, pictures, flame, flower pot, or some wall decoration. Using different shells size can make the butterfly look more interesting. And weavers, my next idea is weavers seashells, starfish, and friends. Weavers seashells can be turned into beautiful fish. Choose one large shell for the body and smaller shells for the fin and tail. You can glue everything into a wooden pot. Add paint, pebbles, small stones, or piece of blue glass around the fish to create an underwater scene. This is a fun project for beach theme home decoration. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care.